Yeah.
Ya, Tagaloa man Samoa. Ya. Onde o mato patasi male. Fionga atuala, o Tusani-Tasi. Ia malana wharitua. Male a fionga fo ia Savetama, Eroni Clark. Ia o se pifianga mo maua ia o lomo whai o tatu patasi male. Whamaro fo e siuso ia o fionga atuala. O Tagaloa fo e nga aunganga pakasi manang patua. Nei supermarket, Tasi markets. Sabia ke lele o aunganga man kaukua ngai uso mo kako tangata. Ma ko fie me ka au pengo boska ko mafanga ma. Uso ngai sabia.
Siri awa ka ko pero ai Tasi ngai ya Tagaloa mali pale tue ya.
Kele po le songa lo bo mai. Ole mero o ngai. Ai le au le lei po ko le. Le mo se ina.
Ole mele o
Wait.
Yeah. O ma ua masawe tama. Nga whaias whale kongu i ma kausinga ma soipu maloloinga. Minga la ukala wa o whaisinga la popo a se Tagaloa malu Samoa. Ia mea leo songa ai ma le ususkai i po mai ma. Nga maula ia kulanga nga wa le whenga nga ioi, le whenga mangoi. Ni whenga whai pe au lei ka ua kongu kapu makoai. Yo o whai asinga o wa ai. Ia nga mauri kulanga o oso lunga koko maurunga. Ia o wala popoa wa mau mai suka. Ia nga maule nga ele mea kupu ya nga ave au whale mai. Ia kulanga la le whakamala songa ai ma le whalongo ma le uskai fo mai ia. Nga makarola ia lau pokalame lea siuso lea nga sausawe tamai asia au whale mai. Ma whamailang whaukuanga sorry ia. Labia nga songa whai ia nga mea le kakau nga whai ngai ke roa le kikilo ko dua ma lo whangau lo whangau. Ko anga mai la ia sau kuring o whamalo si au pe se lui fo lea o sawe tama. Ia nga makairol ma pokalame whakai a ure kua siuso e alolofa ya unyei. Ia nga makarol ma korenginga ia no ko silipia ko molimau. Ia kaswe lea alo lupe whaalele o Samoa aso la kumaka alo whakaswe le o Blacks. Ia whakaya ia e kahua kele mo whai ngā uso. Pape koe la le ngaruenga makiuke le o nganga o Tagaloa.
Yo kele ia
Ese lo Blacks nga ka.
Just a little bit on your journey.
One of the real important things is very true of what Fesola'i was talking about. It's a really important thing for all of us. We have one of the worst statistics in terms of our health as Pacifica. We have heart disease, diabetes. One of the highest things for us in terms of the statistics. So things are really important for us to look after our health. And it's more so not the things that we're doing, but I think more of the things that we are eating. And how we eat and what we're eating is really important. So those are things that have really been important in our journey to losing weight. I think I dropped probably almost since the beginning 30 kilos. Those were kilos that we've been able to lose, and we're still on that journey. That's the one thing I think is really important, is that it never stops. It's really important to be strong for us, so we can be strong for our families and be there for our
That's
families.
true.
Especially whakaua kere ngei vai kau. You know, whaingofia ngā whakau mai le mea, whakau mai drive through, mea mo fast food, take away. You know, e whailau kala wa kaukala hau ia malau wa journey, wa le mea ai pai e fo i kuku e whale ia ngā hoso ka wale, drive through Kentucky, Chinese. But, ole, somponga la lea, it's the amount of food we're eating. Yeah. Nga maura i mea ngā kofo ia aru raso le whaisiwhi au le se au but you know leke mai foi le supermarket au kamale mangai anga ai ke me ai Samoa le whakau ki na me se mo ka au whai kisisi Samoa
Mai kaua exercise. Kaua exercise. No ale. La wanga that's.
The what we're eating and also the exercise. So there's a
Mai pai wila. This is the wila ye kaua pa.
Ole ko pusal malo si ole ko pusal malo si kuli. So lo pai ma wila le ma kiki e malo kamale no ma wila.
So where did you guys go today? Where did you guys go today?
Ma kiki yo Mission Bay.
Okay.
St. Heliers. Ko kaliu mai la ia. Masanya ma mai afero I chertu ma oro alor kai ka lampan ake ma mai cheru afu mai sabe kam ho ye Messi ma Messi ye mena le lo ma mai ma sasi mai ka ngalo malanga supermarket.
So how long does it take you to come all the way from Mission Bay all the way here?
It's been 4 hours.
4 hours.
We left
Wow.
this morning at 5:30. We got to English place at 6 o'clock, and then we met the Ron Kirkman, Charles Wickerman, all Mission Bay. And
You guys all riding together.
Ya, ngai isi ngai uso yang makal pakasiri Blacks. Ya, aku bisa le foi kulanga le la ko ila ko kau singa la ko sifu malo. So por kalame na le fai. E ka ul match fit. So kalame le fengo mako pa dia kelengi information but ya o maki de fa de por kalame na le o mako suinga mako koringa. Mako si ina mako medical checkups. Ako ko mauduma fai mako siaki ko mai. Ko mauduma le mako mamafa. O suka ia wa ulanga o mai suka I le makanga kau sanga to kai bi le ku o lo mo mai kau le ko le ko mau mai suka so ngei mo o so umana lo ia mas le ke
Well done. No.
Anybody come out of that?
But
So you can heal from that.
so le famalo si au mo le malu ska kwa ku le fa fo mai maloa malo le kam fai le fai ngo fi ngai ko langa ai como we le pua ya ko umba ka fai fu le lango si uso le langa ka ku mo ka kwa ku logo nga ki le nganga nga aba ya pu isi uso le kam fai fu la ko ya ko le nganga ka ko kam fai fu lifi ka ko ka
Sa'ale.
Difficult part. Ang mo le loko le hanga si Samo o fai nga le ka ku mai ako o mongwi mai le nga loko le hanga lo la ia a me la ko
Alu ki de wila e se ki e pero mai wila ko lo.
Someone is asking how many times a week do you do that?
We train every day.
Oh, you train every day?
Sometimes we train twice a day. Malo se fua.
My push the waka. Come
Malo lama.
and take a photo. Take a photo. I'm alright. I'll take my own photo. But
I saw you on Facebook.
oh yeah, I famous.
Tagaloa
I love your post.
These are the All Blacks over here.
I gotta meet this guy because I loved your post about.
Malo se fua. Malo pa.
Hello.
I always so then I saw. Are you?
Yeah, I'm Miss.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Some months ago. But I'm so glad you did it. But I didn't want to say.
I just want to say a big hi to my wife. She's watching me live.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, I'm watching you
Because we were
live.
doing something.
Did I?
I want to
it's
say
all
hi
right.
to my grandson Elijah and Patrick and my sons Jordan and Jasmine and Salote and hi mummy.
Oh.
We'll be home soon. We're here with Tagaloa and Messi here at Tusani Market.
And it's closed.
We're open again tomorrow. We're open again tomorrow.
That's all right tomorrow.
We came last week and did some shopping from King. It was so nice.
Okay. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah. We're open again tomorrow.
Okay, well, yeah, I can deserve some.
Yo, ma, singia la le, ma ka vale la le.
What was the question that did he ask?
Oh no, they were asking how many times a week you guys do the bike ride and hours, how many hours a day?
Sometimes we say 4.5 hours, but today we've done 5.
5 hours, wow.
Sorry, man, Samoa. Kawa la ba ya uli. We got lucky ma o ma o le loku e wa.
Tasi do
God bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Came from church at Texas too.
Hello. Yeah, you too.
This guy had me crying in a post and a fight against VaaigaTu'igamala. Because they were so sick from during that time. And, I love it.
You're
but I was very unhappy when you apologized.
Hi.
That's the guy.
I seen you play on the sport field.
Well, actually, that's what I and then I saw you there. I looked familiar that nice. That's the guy I really admire. We just lived down here, Royal Road.
Oh. Yeah, that's where we got off. Came off the motorway and we rode up the triangle.
Yeah. So, se koko sa moi fam ola o fa kulo ati. Nene kukula wali na o fa no moi na kala fa no.
Yeah.
And then for my ai kake o le bakery ko kene o ni fa ni tasi.
Tomorrow, we're open again tomorrow, so there's heaps of coco samoa. Yeah. Lang ako sa makala sa singay fire.
And your life.
The young woman that works for you.
Yeah,
She is
yeah.
the best.
Okay.
She's so good.
Yeah, she's a really awesome.
No, Samoa.
Sanya Samoa.
Inga, someone said that I want to have a race with Fesola'i to support the course Malotuala.
Yeah.
Someone wants to have a race with you
Oh, bring it on.
to support the course. His name is Isamaeli Yakopo.
Oh,
That's
Yakopo
the one,
a
guys.
pai de ke papua.
You see it here.
Ka wila e ka wila wa o maku anga wo fai ma wila ma saveta ma. O le ko kusa ku na le ma ku ni ke me maka alo ai. O maku anga nga mai do le.
Oh, we on netbola o longa fio.
Netbola ka?
Mai do le ko mai e ka nga. A mai u wila e fa nga e fa ma u se do ku. O le ala na le o ke le nga. Ni ba so lang ki ke ma o fa ko i tituangi ma o ka yo ho riwa. So,
Is that Mamau?
It's really far. From here all the way when you bike to Manarewa.
Yakopo pakau mai so wila nga amolo no wila nga longo mai dai ha. Ngau kiki pakasi do la. Ele ma ko kusi. Ma wale ko valu ma ko. Yo.
Ola la lengua kokala.
Ole ma ko kala fu e dese ngo.
Wheatbix.
Yeah, Weepix. Ma ko sponsor la le Weepix yo. Yo. Ma lo la.
We'll just finish off the live. Was there any of that last things that you want to say?
Le ai Paula ma le malu o Samoa fa fonga mai dunga le Facebook ya malo fa kai le lango fa kai ka puainga o business so ya Tagaloa malang parkua pa lo fa mangwe foi dala hi ude ka sanga ya ke ya mo challenges ka sanga ngai al malo ada usai fa mo pele fua mai le malo si madanga alofa ya kako malama ai kako look forward for ka sampo wa fa mo yang mai de ku ya kako ya ko wia ya ko mo kuainga pangau ko pangau ya mo la foi le ngang fa kai kele le pule Le ngei pisisi fiong ya Tagaloa sani malang farkua ka kai kele la mungi ya mo mapakasi masabe kama lunga Facebook ya mongwi la mo pupuanga ko me kausang po ku ngi kausang ai mongwi fu kausang po alofa Fesola'i ma sabe kama.
Any last words, Joseph, before we go?
But just I think the messages they're very clear in terms of one is looking after ourselves and looking after our health, but also two to support our local, really our local businesses, particularly our Samoan ones, our Pacific ones too.
Kai lava
I
uso.
love it.
Kai.
Right.
Over and out to Tagaloa.
Kai lava. Yeah, don't forget, guys, we've got our fruit special, and after that talk, fruit and vegetable special starting tomorrow. So from me to you and the team from Tasi Market, la fiong for ya tole form, Helen and kako team for ngai Ake Sunny. Don't forget kako for Tagaloa ngai Messi. Yeah, papena for yo I Papakura. Open back tomorrow, so it's a special message from us and much appreciated. And as we say to kako, to stand straight.